Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darberry32, and yes, I know this is Wednesday, y'all. It's hump day, hump day, hump day, hump day, hump day. It is hump day, and I am finished with work. I did not go to work Monday nor Tuesday. I decided to go ahead and just take an extra day off. I had originally said I was only going to take Friday and Monday off. I took Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, guys. And Tuesday, I got to lay in my bed all day for the most part. I mean, I did cook dinner and things like that, but for the most part, I stayed in bed all day. I didn't even put on any clothes. I got up enough to just get in the shower and put on some more pajamas. That's exactly what I did on Tuesday, because like on Friday, we ended up, well, you guys are probably... you've probably already seen the vlog, because Friday we did go to Lowe's and stuff. I kind of hung out with the family just a little bit, and then on Saturday hung out with my family, my brothers and all that, and then on Sunday the kids came over, and then that Monday I had to go with Earl to some appointments and stuff like that. So I felt like I didn't get a day that I just wanted to veg out, so I vegged out on Tuesday. Let me put my phone down. So I vegged out on Tuesday, and so now that's why you're getting a hump day video. So today I decided to wear, again, these slacks, guys. I don't even know how to tell y'all. Like, I even feel like I can wear these slacks with sneakers. I got these in 4 different colors. I got them in blue, I got them in black, a light blue, khaki-like color, and then like a green, like sagey color or whatever. But they're so comfortable. I mean, really comfortable. And guess where I got them from? Amazon. I don't know why when I did my Amazon haul video, I did not show you guys these pants. But what I can do is I can link, I'll put the link of all different colors below, or just maybe just this color below, so that way you guys can click on them and get them, because I feel like they're really good for, like, even for the summer. Like, say for instance you're going somewhere, you're going on vacation or something like that. Y'all, don't tell me these pants are not good to wear with sandals, sneakers, heels, loafers, like I did today, tank top, you know, throw a little like shirt over it to give it that airy feeling, like if you're on vacation or on a cruise ship. These pants work. So I love them. I love them for work because it just gives you more of a relaxed feel. Makes you feel hip, like, you know. So I really like them. But anyway, so these pants, like I said, are from Amazon. This top here is from a thrift store. Y'all know me. Might as well, you know, just mix. Y'all don't have to, you know, you don't have to have all high end or all low end, or, you know, you can mix and match. And that's exactly what I did. This shirt is really more like, what do you call it, like a sweatshirt type, because it has a band down at the bottom that's the same color as this, but I decided to tuck it today because I feel like it would have been too blousy if I had wore it out. Like, it wouldn't have given me any kind of shape or anything. I mean, these pants are already big and blousy, so I don't need anything big on top. I'll be looking like a big old balloon, so don't want to do that. And then below, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have on these loafers. I'll come up close and show you guys exactly what they look like. I got them from TJ Maxx, and they were actually on sale. Hold on one second. I think, yeah, here they are. Yeah, y'all, these shoes were $12. That's how much they were. And yeah, I got them in a 7.5. I kept trying on my true shoe size, which is an 8 or 8.5, but they were way too big. They kept flopping off. These fit perfectly. So sometimes try these shoes on, because sometimes you think, oh my God, I can't fit that, those are too small. This used to be my size when I was a teenager, honey, a 7.5. But they fit really, really well. They're Jones, New York. Got my last name stamped in them. But yeah, I just thought they were really cute, and they went really well with this look today, where I didn't have to wear any heels or anything like that. So yes, that is it. Makeup. I am going to do the makeup look. Enough of you guys have said you wanted to do it, so I'll have to do the makeup look on camera. It's not going to take long, I'm going to tell y'all, because it's like whip, whip, whip. I kind of know what to do. As you can see too, like I said, I've been at work, and I don't feel like I'm as shiny as I used to be back in the day. Like back in the day, oh my God, I'd be like, I just look like a big grease ball. But I'll show you all like what I do, you know, what I put underneath my makeup, what I put on top of my foundation and all that kind of stuff when I do the makeup look. So that is coming soon. So be ready for that. And then that's it. And then today I decided to go ahead and go with a little bit of gold because of the gold that's on the shoe. And that's what I did here with this jewelry, regular, same old jewelry that I always have, my little stack, whatever. And then I didn't put any little balls here at the top like I normally do. So this is it. This is my outfit of the day. You guys have to tell me what you think. I love doing this. I think though, I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe doing some more of these but not talking so much. Just showing y'all and maybe put what it is in the description box. Y'all let me know. Do y'all want me to talk or do y'all want me to be quiet and just show you the outfit and then give you the description, you know, in the description box? Y'all let me know. Y'all know I want to know your opinion, okay? Well, I'm going to go. My dinner is waiting for me downstairs. I'm going to go eat, get unwind because it is Wednesday hump day. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but I am a Bravo fan, like a Bravo fanatic. And tonight is Vanderpump Rules. It is the season finale. If y'all watch this type of stuff, y'all let me know because I need somebody to talk to. Like, I have my one girlfriend that I talk to. Well, no, I can't even talk to her about it because she doesn't even watch Vanderpump Rules. She's a Bravo fan, but she doesn't watch Vanderpump Rules. So me and my husband, we talk about it. Like, we watch it and we're like crazy over it. So anyway, guys, that is it for my outfit today. I hope you guys like it. Now, on to Thursday. Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32. Yes, y'all. It is me. It is Thursday, and I am here with another outfit of the day. Let me put my phone down. Yes, 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 yes. Again, a dress. Another dress. What can I say? Very comfortable, cool, casual, y'all. This is a dress I've had tucked away in my closet for a long time. This is actually from Old Navy. Actually, both things are from Old Navy. The shoes as well. Can you guys see the shoes? I hope you can see the shoes. So yeah, they're both from Old Navy. Got them a long time ago. Y'all, your girl can hold on to some clothes, like seriously, and wear them like they brand new. That's just how I roll. I can wear them like they're like the shoes and everything, honey. Don't play with me. So anyway, yeah. So it's Thursday. Here's my outfit of the day. Like I said, this is from Old Navy. So a real comfortable, casual outfit on Thursdays. Like I told y'all, I like to start kind of dressy at the beginning of the week and then try to work my way down. So tomorrow it'll probably be jeans and some sneakers or jeans and some loafers or something like that. I kind of got an idea of what I want to wear, especially because it's getting so warm and everything. So yes, this is my outfit here. Let me show you guys a close-up on the shoes. Yep, they are from Old Navy. As you can see right there, they're from Old Navy. I mean, I've worn these shoes, but, you know, I don't know. I just take care of my stuff. I really do. I believe that, like, for real, you know, I know a lot of people like to go and spend a lot of money on clothes and shoes. And hey, to each his own, because I like to do it too at times. But I also like to take care of what I actually have. So my makeup, same. Nothing different. Yeah, jewelry, same. I'm just a creature of habit. And when it works, it works. I mean, I think I'm even doing that with my nails because when it works, y'all, it just works. Why? Like I say, y'all know what I'm going to say. If it ain't broke, why fix it? There's no need to do that. So I do what I do. Hair is growing. I decided to do a little bit of a part here. Kayla noticed, so we were on the phone today. And she's like, Mom, what is that on the front of your head? I said, child, my hair is growing. I got a little curly cues trying to grow. So it is growing quite a bit. Again, enjoying the entire journey. Just loving it because it don't take nothing to do my hair in the morning. So yes, guys, this is my outfit today. So let's get on to Friday. Bye. Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32. And yes, it's Friday. And I'm done with work. But I'm feeling a little under the weather. So y'all going to have to excuse me. I don't know. I'm just not feeling too well. Like, my throat is all scratchy and stuff. But I still wanted to come on here and show you guys my outfit of the day. Yes. A very simple outfit of the day. You know, it's Friday, so we go kind of casual. Today I have on, I got these new Skechers. last week Earl got me some Skechers. Like they're to us, they're like the best type of shoe for your foot, especially if you're doing a whole bunch of walking and stuff like that. So I actually like the style of these where there's no lace, and I'll take them off later and show you. And then I just have on these black jeans here that I got from Marshall's a while back. And here is that blouse. You guys, if you didn't see my Amazon video where I showed you like all the different decor in my home from Amazon, and clothes from Amazon, and technology from Amazon, you need to go and see that. But that's where this shirt came from. It's my first time wearing it, and it, to me, it paired so well with this outfit. I loved it. I loved it. I felt so clean and put together, and you know, I kind of did the half in, half out type of thing. You know, trying to be hip and happening. So anyway, this is it. This is my outfit. I don't know what I'm looking like when it comes to makeup. We done went to Costco and everything. I did not have my camera, so you're not going to see that in the vlog. But that's okay. There's other stuff. But tonight, I think I'm going to rest. I was going to cook tonight, but Earl saw that I wasn't feeling too good, so we're going to probably order out and stuff like that. Let me just show you guys the shoes, a close-up of the shoes. These are it. Like I said, these are from Skechers. It's a Mark Nason by Skechers. That's what it's called. There it is right there. So they're very lightweight, very easy to wear. Like I think the black jeans have kind of come off on them. So, but anyway, absolutely love them. Very lightweight, like I said, easy to wear. Very cushiony too. A lot of good cushion in these shoes. So I don't know if you guys are into Skechers or whatever. This is a good brand. I recommend. I love, you know, Earl actually liked them because he says it reminds him of a sock, and it actually fits really well on my foot. So that is it, guys. That is it. It's Friday, so not sure. I'm sure I'll be bringing you more outfits of the days because I got to get dressed. I got to get dressed on Saturday, and not sure about Sunday, but we'll see. All right, guys. So thank you. Now let's get on to Saturday. Hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32. It is Saturday, and do you hear it? Y'all, last night was really, really rough. It is now 2 o'clock, and I'm just now getting myself together because I've been back and forth in the bed. I'm trying to make myself feel better. I have not vlogged at all, but I'm getting ready to now. But I just wanted to come on and show you guys really fast my Saturday outfit. Very comfortable, casual. It's warm outside. I didn't try to put on a whole lot of everything. It's summertime, y'all. So today I started off with these pink shoes. Again, these are Skechers. My husband actually bought them for me. I told y'all about the white ones yesterday, and he bought me these too. He got them. They were like, he just was like, here, you need some new shoes. So I was like, okay. Yeah, I didn't argue because when it comes to sneakers, I don't have a whole lot, and I don't know, I just felt like, okay, let him spoil me, okay? So, I got these on, then I have on a pair of Jessica Simpson blue jean shorts, really comfortable, casual. Had these for a while. These are some really good jean shorts. I think I got them from Macy's a while back or something like that, and they just really are a good fit. Really loved it. And then, y'all, I can't even tell you the name of the online store that I got this actual t-shirt. I've had it for a minute. A long time. I'm sorry, guys. It's just, it's like something up in here that I'm not feeling well. But, yeah, so I've had the shirt for a minute, and I thought, oh, wow, you know, how a nice time to wear it when he bought me the shoes, the pink goes with the pink, all the things. And here's y'all's friend. He just got in here. I don't know where he's been hiding. And then makeup, very natural, hardly anything. I did brows, I did mascara, a little bit of a lip, and then whatever was on my foundation brush. I just kind of brushed it over my face, and a little setting powder. And then my jewelry, ring, and then I just put on these 2 rings this time. And then just some earrings. That is it. I want to feel better, y'all. Please pray for me so I can feel better. We got so much to do because we're hosting Memorial Day weekend next weekend. So we're trying to get things done, and yeah, your girl ain't feeling good. So this is it. I believe this might be the end of my outfit of the days, but y'all stay tuned. You never know what your girl will bring, all right? Bye-bye.